Very happy morning, cheerful morning to all my little angels. How are you, children? Are you able to complete your notes? But first of all, tell me, are you happy? Okay, your mama is happy. आप होमवर्क करते हैं टाइम से तो मम्मा एंड पापा इज हैप्पी. आर यू आस्किंग टू योर मॉम, मम्मी आप खुश हैं मैं टाइम से पढ़ाई करता हूँ तो? ओके इवन आई एम हैप्पी टू सी योर वर्क, योर असेसमेंट पेपर्स. और इसी तरह आप एग्ज़ाम्स में भी करेंगे जो कि आने वाले हैं. डैट विल बी योर फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर. ओके नाउ चिल्ड्रन, बैक टू आवर टॉपिक. चिल्ड्रन, बारिश के बाद आपने ट्रीज़ को देखा, कितने ग्रीनरी हो गई थी. सो दे वर सो हैप्पी ना, इवन ट्रीज वर लुकिंग सो हैप्पी. Okay ma'am, that means you are moving to your topic, the happy tree. Yes children, our next topic in English will be the happy tree. There is a small seed, Mun, who is telling why that seed is happy. So you want to see a video? Let's go to watch a video. So children, are you set with your book and your notebook also? Why ma'am is telling like that? Because if you are getting new words while reading this and while watching the video, you can write in your notebook also. अच्छा मैम, हमको तो पहले वीडियो देखना है. We will be so happy to watch the video. Okay बेटा, so we are going to watch a nice and a interesting video full of knowledge, and our topic is the happy tree. Okay children?
A happy tree. Mun the seed sleeps inside the soil. He opens his eyes, but he cannot see a thing. There is dark brown mud around.
It's a story of a small seed, Mun. When she opens the eyes, that seed was not able to see anything because it was inside a mud, and that Mun was not able to come out. Why she was not able to come out?
It is cool but hard. He tries to push the mud. It is not easy. Just then, Mun hears a sound. Pitter patter. He finds that it is raining. He feels the mud has become wet. He tries to push the mud once again. This time, it is soft.
After a while, Mun hears a sound. Pitter patter. Something was falling. What was falling? Yes, it was rain. Rain में कैसा होता है? बारिश का आवाज़ होता है ना, तो वो आवाज़ है ना, मुन को सुनाई दिया. It was raining, so it was pitter patter sound. And after that, the mud was soft, and the seed, that means Mun was able to push the mud and come out.
Soon Mun is out of the mud. Mun peeps out of the soil. He sees light around him. He also sees green trees. He is very happy.
Finally, Mun was able to push the mud and saw the light everywhere. He was able to see the green trees. And what he asked to all the trees? Let's find out.
But he does not know what the green things are. Mun looks at the big tree. He does not know what makes seeds grow up to become trees. The big tree tells him that seeds need air, water, and heat from the sun to grow. Oh, it is so bright here. Who are you? I am a tree. You are also one of us. When seeds like you grow up, they become trees like us.
When Mun looks at all the trees, so Mun was surprised. Why she was surprised? Because he does not know that what makes the seed grow up to become a tree? Then what the big tree replies? Big tree tells him that seed needs air, water and heat from the sun to grow. Tree ने क्या reply किया उसको? The big tree tells him that seed needs air, water and heat from the sun to grow.
Soon rain falls, the wind blows, and the sun shines. Slowly, Munmun grows up to be a big green Gulmohar tree. He is covered with flowers. He looks beautiful. Munmun and the big tree become friends. The big tree tells Munmun many things.
Soon the wind blew and there was a rain. So Munmun, a small tree, grows into a big Gulmohar tree. And they also, like yours, no, like you, no, both the trees start chatting. That means they both of them start talking. But क्या बातें कर रहे थे both of them? क्या बातें हो रही थी दोनों trees के बीच में? Let's find out.
Things. Today I am a beautiful tree. You are not only beautiful, but you are also useful. He tells Munmun that trees keep the air fresh and clean. He tells Munmun that trees also give food. Their branches are home for many animals. As time passes, birds build their nests on Munmun's branches. Children play under his shade. Munmun is happy. He has many.
Munmun tells the tree, see, I am grown to a beautiful Gulmohar tree. I am so beautiful. And that what tree replies? That you are not only beautiful, but you have many uses also. What type of uses? Yes, the branches of the trees are used to make homes. Even the bird builds nest. Okay, so the big tree was explaining to the Munmun.
Many friends. We are also his friends. So children, let us listen to what Munmun has to say. Children, I have a message. Look after us. Do not cut us. We are your green friends.
Yes, Munmun gives us a small message. What type of message she gives us? He gives us a small message that please take care of us. Do not cut trees. Even you have also seen in your city, one man, one tree, isn't? Why we should grow more and more trees? Because it adds the beauty to our city as well as our homes also. So it was a small message from a chapter, The Happy Tree. So children, how was the video? Are you happy to see the video? Oh, very nice. So it was all about the happy tree. How a small tree was grown to a beautiful Gulmohar tree. And what type of chatting they have? Yes, you have gone through you will be reading and you will be finding it more interesting that how the trees were chatting also. Okay, so shall we move to our exercise today? That is a part of our worksheet. Okay, students?
Tick the correct answer and win a star.
Yes, part of your worksheet you had to tick the correct answer. Why is it not easy for Munmun to push the mud? Children, why it was not easy for Munmun to push the mud? Yes, tell me. Think and answer. Okay. It is hard. It is soft. It is wet.
Good work.
Good work.
Round mud around. It is cool but hard. He tries to push the mud. It is not easy.
So, have you Were you able to know the reason why Munmun was not able to push the mud? आपने सुना because it was hard, so Munmun was not able to push the mud. Let's find out next. Which tree does Munmun grow up to be? Mango, गुलमोहर और नीम. कौन सा ब्यूटीफुल ट्री बन गया वो सीड? It was नीम और मैंगो और गुलमोहर. Let's check.
Good work.
Munmun grows up to be a big green gulmohar tree.
Munmun grows up to be a beautiful gulmohar tree. Oh, let's check the score also. Yeah, 100%.
Matching.
Interesting part.
Play.
Play, yes. Foot.
Good work.
Good work. Let's check next one is tooth. So it will be
Good work.
yes, good work. It's match the one to it's more than one. Yes, I have taught you in grammar, no children? Do you remember? Mouse.
Good work.
Good work. Now next one, it's woman. So what will be more than one? It's women.
Good
It's
work.
women. Man. What will be? It's more than one. Tell me. Think and answer, children. I am waiting for you. Man. It's
Good work.
men. Oh, once again we have scored 100%. Okay, children. So you will be able to do the worksheet part. Children, you will be able to do now worksheet part. Yes, it's on page number 61. Are you able to see, children? It's page number 61. So, children, tell me, do send the photo shot and as well as a message about how was the video, how was the exercise, were you able to do or not? And one more thing, children, is the last chapter of our syllabus for SEM first. Okay, so please update your notebooks and send me the photo shot, and remain be happy, make your mom and dad also happy by your punctuality and your work. Okay, children, may God bless you. Have a great time, students.